guard din, laki. May ganun pa, no? Kasi makausap mo ang guard sa ito.
Sayang, ano, sana napagawa natin yung Love Infinity, no?
Hindi na po napagawa eh.
Nahuli eh.
Nag-addict na ako. Yung Love Eternal.
Kinukunan ko yung mga ninja-ninjahan dyan eh. Ayan, ayan, oh. Tingnan mo.
Mga pawisan.
Ninja kunyari yan, pero huli. Just 20 minutes from registration and people are here.
Hello. Tanong ko lang po, Chester, sino po dito yung first timer?
From Australia, this is Lani and Dora. Isabella, 16-year-old daughter of Lani from Sydney. Registration is very brisk. It started at 4:30, which is what? Now it's 4:50. 20 minutes pa lang, and there's a lot of people here. Those who did not register had to wait outside for a while. That's dinosaur. Kulit mo. Madeleine Red, here's a master here. Hello, baby. Dalaga na siya. Sinabi mo pa. Ako din. Oh,
hindi ako ng ano mo, no?
Very nice. A lot of new people coming here. And in case you haven't heard, general admission is sold out already. Oh, general is sold out. out to Doggy, huh?
From all the Chasters, syempre, kahit sa lumang Chasters na, we are greeting you. Welcome. Tama ba? Greeting.
Welcome to Chasterville, new Chasters and mga first timer. Palakpakan niyo naman sa review.
Meron pa sa labas, mga mini Chasters. Pinakilala sa akin nila.
Yung mga nasa labas, nasa labas sila. Nasa labas. Nahiya po sila.
Na.
Naku, if I fail to sing this song, please don't laugh. Yaku ready! Hi, all Chasters! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nakakornea na kayo sa akin, no? O benda ko mo hanggang here. Sinong last time yung David Foster and Friends nandito? As usual, the same faces. Nakabala naman ako. Wait lang, naantay po natin si Pete. Pasensya na po kayo na.
Sino?
Parang negosyo nyo to, ah. Shield ba to? Shield ba to?
Hindi naman siya galing China.
Hindi siya galing dito sa kaya.
Tama.
Okay, ang first question. Siya po yung sasagot. Okay, first question. What is the first billboard of Charisse? What is the first billboard of Charisse?
In Tagalog, ano ang
unang billboard ni Charisse?
Infinity.
Hindi po.
buong name ni Cha? Alam na, there's yung buong name ni Cha.
Bilis.
Parang mas masarap maging audience kaysa maging MC. May mga prizes.
Bilis naman. Hindi ko na tulik yung answer eh.
You wanna join? Okay, next question.
Ang susunod na question.
Director of Here Comes the Boom. Director of Here Comes the Boom.
Si ate. Hindi pala siya.
Director of Here Comes the Boom.
Boom Tenorio. Yung mga basketball player, hindi kasali.
Sunod. Rocket check. Love. No!
Sarina, tangkad mo, nakakalo.
Hindi matangkad yan, mahaba lang ang legs. Tangkad talaga, oh.
In any order na lang daw. First 10 song na kinanta. In any order. Okay. No!
I don't know.
That's the way you are. I love you. That's with my father. Faithfully. That's with my father? Faithfully. Minsan lang kita ibigin.
Promise.
That's with my father.
Parang hirap na ng question.
May touch.
Uy, Kenji, ayan na.
Si Bella yan, na girlfriend ni Jacob tsaka ni Edward.
Hindi pa yata alam niya na. Hi, good evening, and thank you for the warm welcome, mga Chesters sa ano.
Woot, woot!
First time ko rito, and sure, enjoy ako.
Woot, woot, woot!
Okay, next trivia question. What is the brand name of your black guitar?
Hindi.
Ikaw ito rin. Ano mo ingat? Ikaw pinaka-chorus Chester dito.
Wala daw yun, wala.
Wala daw. Barja. Nag-enjoy pa kayo? Sa totoo lang.
Talaga? Di nga. Wait.
Teka, number of chast tweets. Number of chast tweets.
Ayan na, hindi nagre-review.
Kailangan Twitter ka. Galing! Chadik! Chadik talaga, grabe. 0.5 pa ata, 0.5. Unbelievable. So many new faces.
Hello? Wala ka pa ba? JM, Mili, nakakaloka kayo ha. Uy, Kenji, masyado ka nagwawala. Dapat ikaw ang partner ko dito. De Ken. Okay, yung next question natin. Kanino dinedicated siya yung song na Baby? Baby by Justin Bieber. Kanino? Dalawa yun. To answer. Magkasunod.
Sino yun? Sino sumagot? Si Axel. Hey! Nakalimutan ko yung
Bahala.
Okay, yun po muna yung trivia questions namin for tonight.
Ma'am, si Zarina, guys, kung hindi nyo alam, nag-audition siya sa X Factor, right? And, ang dami mong views, nakita ko, naiingit ako, my God. Kim.
And she's only 15 years old.
Palakpakan natin si Zarina, Chester's Pride.
ano ba ka sure? Sabi niya kasi para sa iba sa kasi.
Ahem, ahem.
something I don't understand. I'm just gonna run right through the way. I'm just gonna dance right through to hell. I just wanna feel that rhythm, feel that's wrong in the heartbeat.
Bakit ko ba? Kasi hindi ako makaipon eh. Siguro dito. Dito, wala na ako po. After po dito. Yung bag.
Just all that you want and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go, but
Thank you!
Kulahin, ang mga pangalan kayo. Hanapin niyo yung mga sticker na nakapin sa ilalim ng upuan niyo. Ilalim ng upuan! Ilalim ng upuan!
Talaga Julius na pamaki.
Ilalim ng upuan! Ilalim ng upuan!
Smiley.
Okay, gumawa na kayo ibigay.
Kung nakikitay, yan. Ayan, kumakain pa sila pero dahil kay Cha, nagulo ang buhay nila.
Alam mo yan.
Okay, dito po kayo. Dito.
Oh, 12 lang yan.
Pila. Okay, ilan sila?
12 yan.
Isama mo na, di ba, Jay? Ayan, tingnan mo, nanalo pa sila hanggang mag-anak. Ay, wala ka? Wala. Okay, pakita mo yung mga stickers nila. Wait. Yung smiley card, pakibigay mo rin yung magazines. Or smiley. Infinity, yung smiley muna. Smiley, up yung picture niyo sa camera. Yan.
Smiley, ngumiti muna kayo. Medyo kapang si ate.
Smiley, smiley. Infinity, wait.
Smiley dapat.
Smiley.
Bakit pa lagi kang nananalo, Julius? Nakakainis ka.
Ayaw mo dyan na siya maswerte. Smiley. Mamaya mo ibig. Di ba? Smiley.
Nanalo.
Yun ba? Lumayos ka dyan. Okay, yan po yung nanalo ng smiley. Yung nanalo ng infinity, ito, galing ko sa Chester, sa Zambales. Siya yung gumawa ng artwork ng face ni Cha.
Wow! Galing!
Okay, picture mo na kaya mga winners.
Picture.
Sali tayo,
Ay,
Mesa.
sali tayo. Ay, sali mo. Sali mo kami.
Ang saya-saya naman. Kamusta na si David? Grabe yung posing mo eh.
Hindi pala yan, Kuya Dan.
Ako video, hindi ako nagpo-photograph. Ha? Papalitan mo doon.
Sa mga bagong Chester, gusto ko lang po sa inyo ipakilala, siya yung bago pa ako dumating ng Chester, andito na siya. And hindi ko mapantayin ang kasigatan niya. Kumakanta rin to eh. Si Nixter, super,
Oo nga, Nixter!
ang dami niyang chorus with Jerry's, nakakaloka. Ilang taong ka nung sumali ka ng Chester? And now, 11 and now, 15, 4 anak taon, 15 years na. Wala, buwaba ako sa math. Sensya na. Tapos ano na nga yung mga kinover mo ng songs ni Chuck? Ano na yung mga kinover mo?
Wow, sakripisyo to ah. Baka malungkot ka dyan. Bakit parang malungkot ka? Ha? Sino away sa'yo?
Wala.
Fake. Problema mo nga yan. Yun nga eh, bakit mo problema? Dalaga ka na ba? Dalaga ka na ata eh. Oo. Si Wamon, tsaka si Fidel, talagang... Santayan mo yan ha. Baka mag-abono tayo ng malaki.
ba?
Hindi ko nakunan
Tsaka
na.
nakausap niya sa Chelsea. Cellphone. Okay. Ganda ko talaga.
Ano?
Excuse me po. Excuse me. May stand ba kami?
Dito. Aba? Dubbing ha? Lip sync ha? Okay lang yung lip sync. Galing ha? Galing din ang kaya sa pinakamahirap na kanta eh. Love you, Kimi! Excited na ako sa pagkanta mo eh. I will always love you. Sabi ni Marian Rivera, Ghost Mom. Si Marian Rivera. Oh, sabi nga Ghost Ang hirap na. Carol, dumating. Carol eh. Kamusta ka na? Okay lang, good, good. Wow! Dito na lang.
Onuya, kami
Auntie Pina.
Marcel Concepcion.
Shelia Settle.
G's friends.
And of course, Beta and Clark. Uy, ako lang ko.
Yung mga walang tapos gusto nyo, pwede kayo bumili din sa likod. May food doon sa Tita Wawer. Ayun po, din pwede kayo bumili doon mamaya. Aliyan po yung first 50 na nag-register na bago. First 50 po yan.
So, habang busy sila, no, kaya
Punta ka na gusto mo punta sa harapan?
so, since you're all international, I guess I'm required to speak in English. I'm gonna try to do this, but I'm expecting my news to be later. Okay, let's start with Mother Elisa. Mother, can you introduce yourself for all the Philippine pictures too?
From London. I've been in London for 37 years.
So, what inspired you to be Chester?
I've been in Chester since I was tourist. Then I've been
You know, there's a lot of space here. You can always move. Yeah, may absent ako. And how about you, Sister Camille? Introduce yourself and what inspired you to be one of us?
I'm Camille, I'm 22. I came from Tokyo, Japan. I didn't really like trips before, but when she introduced me to her and she let me watch videos from the beginning, it kind of inspired me. It inspired me to be a better Filipino because there's another Filipinos making Filipinos well-known in other countries. It's not just a simple. It's not just a simple. He's from. She named concert over discovered her, so it's different.
How about you?
Excuse me, but this girl has an interesting story.
How about you, brother Jay?
I have something important to say.
mostly.
Currently, I'm Busay.
Yeah.
And after that, I changed to Mama Bird. And I decided to make my own site called Charis Super Diva. And then, now it becomes Chester Mania. And, oh my God. And one of the admin is Arky, Joanna, Sisa, and many more. Thank you. I love Charis and I want to see her in person. Anyway, I met her 2 years ago in Netherlands, but she doesn't know that it's me. I just Charis can take picture for you, but it's very nice. And at that time, I decided really, in my mind, I said, if Charis doesn't entertain me because he doesn't know me, say when I reach to Manila, then Charis Super Diva, bye-bye. But she's very nice to me. And okay, take pictures. So I understood that she's a very nice girl. So on the line, still Chester.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ate Yumi, kita kasi special.
She can speak Tagalog.
She understand.
Alam mo, interesting yung story niya.
Kaya nga,
Theory siya.
And how about you, Sister Cecilia? What's your story and
I'm the first
2010. Inspiring. One of us. How about you? You're really engaged. I also saw you at one for the Heart concert in Iran. Also you know, I saw you. You were in my back that time. Okay, what inspired you to be one of us and since when? Last night, what inspired you? See, Sharice has really the voice, diba? Before she tells her story, no, wait lang, no?
Listen, baka mo listen.
I want to hear your story. I'm so interested in your story.
It was because of Wi-Fi and because of my I did the song around here. Yeah, she got me into Sharice. Oh, louder? Oh, sing louder! What? I'm from Australia as well, so I went for a holiday and I just got my ticket yesterday, VIP.
VIP. You know, I can use that accent. It helps me because I don't know how to speak English.
Yeah. And that's about it. Yeah.
That's about it.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga international classes. Nalipat pa! Para kay Cha. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome to Chester Beach. At ayun
Okay, harapin na natin to girls. Lahat tayo tumatanda. Sign of aging. Our next chapter, female. Female. Unaged. 68. Ayan, 68. Ayan na. Album naman ito ni Charis. Hi, Ate Mitch. Acknowledge ko lang po si Ate Mitch saka yung sister. Yes. The girls behind the, should I say, Sterling Company. Yan. And one of the sponsors ng concert, but actually kaya tayo may mga giveaway na notebooks pag may events tayo, it's because of them. Ang mga nabibili sa National Bookstore, Sterling. Kaya if you are a chaster, hindi kayo bibili na ibang brand. Well, ibang brand hindi Sterling lang. And ayun po, the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. 68 years old, magbigay po ka! Mahina po ko sa sabi nga nilang subject na civics. Kaya tulungan niyo ako dito, ha? How many hours did you travel from your country to our country? 16 hours. How about you? 22 hours. 22 hours.
Chicago.
20? 19? 19.
Oo. 19 hours, EDSA pa lang yun. Ayun lang nga eh.
Higher than 22 hours. 22 hours.
Basta nag-aeroplano ha. Baka mamaya nagkotse eh.
Ano mo, hindi siya. Dahil nakalit mo, wala pang 20 hours yun. Okay, next. Let's give a round of applause. Asa na po si Bella? Wala pa. Okay. I'm gonna make a dito.
Po ito eh, sumikat po si Ate Cha dahil po sa matlang to.
nyo, keep singing.